Maybe this picture can be saved.
Hot dog!
Hallelujah!
Listen, if this works, this day will go down in history for me. March the 23rd.
Well, your historic day is not the 23rd, it's the 24th.
What do you mean, the 24th?
It's 1:30 already, it's the morning.
Yes, and what a lovely morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
We've talked the whole night through.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning. Good morning to you.
When the band began to play, the stars were shining bright.
Now the milkman's on his way. It's too late to say goodnight. So, good morning. Good morning. Sunbeams to top you. Good morning. Good morning to you.
And you, and you, and you. Good morning. Good morning. We got the whole night. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Nothing could be grander than the feeling of yes.
In the morning, it's great. Just stay up late. Good morning. Good morning to you.
I think that's it, man. If it wasn't Mississippi.
When we got to the show, Richie wasn't right, but Kings and all the sugars on it. I wanna say goodnight.
Well, say good morning.
Good morning.
Rainbows are shining.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Bonjour.
Ah, monsieur.
Buenos dias.
Muchas gracias.
Buongiorno.
Agitoro.
Good morning.
Breakfast morning. Good morning to you. Well, the first thing we have to do for this picture is... Oh, wait a minute. Well, I can do it. What about Lena?
Lena. She can't sing, she can't dance, she can't act. A triple threat. What's so funny?
I'm sorry. My favorite part of the picture was when the sound went off and she said, yes, yes, yes.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, no. Wait a minute. I'm about to be absolutely brilliant. Kathy, come here. Sing.
Huh?
Sing. Good morning.
Good morning. We got the whole night through.
Now,
Good
Dawn,
morning.
keep your eyes
Good
riveted on my
morning
face
to
and
you.
watch my mouth.
Good morning. Good morning. We got the whole night through. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Well, convincing.
Enchanting. Why?
Don't you understand? Use Kathy's voice. Lena's mouth just opens, and Kathy's voice comes out singing and talking for her.
Why, that's wonderful.
I couldn't let you do it,
Why
Kathy.
not?
You wouldn't be seen. You'd be throwing your career away.
It's not about my career. Besides, it's only for one picture. The important thing now is saving the dueling cavalier, saving Lockwood and Lamont.
Yeah.
Do Do you think you would get by?
Of course. All you have to do is teach Lena the big bow and all the dance numbers. It's a cinch.
All right, we'll spring it on RF in the morning.
Hot dog.
Oh, John, you're a genius.
Oh, I'm glad he thought of it.